Another green day for us today. Markets pushed up, Bitcoin pushed up, and yet we were still able to make money shorting Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and talk about it. If this is your first time watching, consider subscribing to the channel and smashing that like button if you find value in this video. So we are up $92.50 on the day for MSTZ. We talk about it in our Discord. First link in the description below. And guys, Trump says we haven't even started in Iran. The big one is coming. What does that even mean? But nonetheless, we had a really solid day. I kept our team up to date this morning with our trade position. We made $83.45 before 7:06 a.m. And then we spent most of the day, about 3 hours, to make the other $10. But nonetheless, we made $100 for the day. Decent day. QQQ pushed up. Bitcoin also pushed up and then kind of just flatlined a little bit here. Bitcoin pushed all the way up to $70,000 from lows of 65,000 and then just flatlined. And I did not want to wait the whole day to see if anything would happen. MSTR pushed up to 140. We seen it get rejected slightly down to 136, 136.50. And ending the after hours day 138.21. But we did a great job today was by identifying support levels around 127.55, resistance levels around 140, support levels around 127. MSTZ, we did a great job today. We did a great job by actually selling right in this area right here. We sold 100 shares at 13.30, another 99 shares at 13.36 right before this massive sell-off. And then what we did was we bought, we brought our average down, we sold, we bought a little bit more, and I am holding just a few shares on MSTZ. But overall, we were able to lock in $92 on the day, even though we had this dip. I made majority of the money here on this pre-market session, and I made a few bucks during this little kind of crossover section here. But it didn't recover as much as we would like it to. Remember, we're shorting MSTR. We thought MSTR could push down lower, and it can, right? It pushed up to 140, which is a common resistance level. If we look at the 1 hour chart, it has been an area where it does get rejected several times and begins to sell off around 140. And again, MSTR did a great job by holding up around this level. And as you can see, we've traded MSTZ quite a bit, locking in profits. Now, last week we did a great job by locking in over $360 in a single week. You guys can go back and watch that video. We locked in $120 in a 2-day vlog. That seems to be very popular with you guys right now, as far as views goes. And we locked in over $250 before we even went on our little trip this weekend with the family. And, you know, it was good. We made $250 by Wednesday, $340 by Thursday, and then $360 by Friday. So by no means was it like a crazy week. You know, my goal is to make about $500 every single week, but we still did a good job by locking in profits. As you can see right here, you can check out this video, how I made $360 day trading under the PDT rule. That's right, I only had about $3,000 in my account. So we made just a little bit over 10% on the week. And for all of you who know, my goal is to make $300, make 10% for the week, which is about 2% a day. And you guys can watch that video right here, how I was able to lock in $360 in a single week. I fell short of my 10% goal, just slightly. I wanted to make around $500, but I still beat my 10% goal of making $300. So pretty decent. I also show you how I made over $100 shorting Bitcoin the day before. And then of course, this one seems to be a very popular video. I made $81 6 days ago. I made $183 7 days ago. I have videos on risk to reward. I have videos on support and resistance. how many shares you need to make $100 a day, and my two favorite patterns that I love trading. We have a ton of great content. 3 weeks ago, made another $120. So we're actually growing this account pretty nicely from, for all of you who know, $2,000, which is a small account growth challenge that I'm doing at the beginning of this year. I started this account at $2,000 on January 1st. We have now grown it as of the what is it, February 23rd to $3,154. Now this is a little bit of a later post. I will have to update you, but every time I cross over a $1,000 mark, then I will update you for the YouTube. So just now we covered another 360 plus another 100 on the day. That's 460. So this is actually sitting around like what, $3,600 right now. So we're only about $300 to $400 shy of crossing over a new milestone of $4,000. So I'm excited to share that with you. And I've made most of this money by simply shorting MSTZ. When MSTR pushes up, then we then take a position and we begin to short it. And that seems to be a great benefit and advantage to take advantage of in the stock market. Now Bitcoin of course pushed down to 63,000 and then rallied up to 70,000. Now we're just kind of waiting to see what happens. If it begins to sell off, then we'll take advantage of it. A lot of that move happened in the overnight hours over the weekend, and unfortunately we didn't get to participate in that, but nonetheless we still did a good job by locking in $92 today. And guys, that's as simple as one of these, right? One of these right here. We made that today. We made that today trading, and we made a majority of that money literally in the first 10 minutes from 7 o'clock to 7:06. We were able to make that money. And if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow morning, all you have to do is, well, one, subscribe to this channel and hit that like button, but two, join our Discord. It is the first link in the description below. I give you my trade ideas, which is basically my alerts. Let's see here. Basically, I showcase to you exactly what I'm doing. I started posting yesterday at 7:51 p.m. Right after our Sunday stock talk ended, I added 55 shares of MSTZ, holding 200 shares at 1308. I added another 50 shares at 943 for a new average of $13. And then I started showcasing you at 6:51 a.m. that I sold 50 shares in overnight trading at 1340, reducing my MSTZ long position by 100 shares pre-market at 1330. So I sold at 1340, I sold at 1330, and then I sold the rest of my shares at 1336, locking in $83 or 2.5% on the day, and that was at 7:06 a.m. So we locked in $83 before most of the world was even awake and getting ready for work, right? We also saw signs of reversal. We saw QQQ pushing up, Bitcoin beginning to push up. We waited for it to pull back, and then we added 100 shares to our MSTZ long at 1110, which was a pretty great average indeed. We added more shares of that. We then saw that Bitcoin tested 70,000. We reduced our position by 50%, sold at 1149, and then we sold another 100 shares at 1154, locking in that $92. And I just didn't want to stare at my phone all day. I noticed that the stock market was consolidating, and I figured, oh, you guys can't even see this. And I figured that why, stare at a screen all day? This is the recap that I was showcasing you guys just now, the money that we locked in. Sorry about that. And why stare at the screen all day when we could just lock in profits and we can walk away, go run a few errands with the family or with my wife, and we locked in $92.50 or 2.84%. So it was a decent day. I'm not complaining about it. We had a decent day. We made some money, and that is really all that matters. So I appreciate you guys' time. Thanks for the recap. We will be trading live again tomorrow morning. And if you want to get my trade ideas, my live market updates, and watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, then all you have to do is click the first link in the description and you can join 100% free for life right now. But there's only about 250 spots left. So if you don't get in now, you may have to pay a small price later. So get in now while you can for unlimited free access for your lifetime. Thank you guys. I appreciate you. And you guys have a great rest of your day. We'll see you all tomorrow morning, bright and early, at market open.